In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself on Google Meet using a keyboard shortcut. This simple trick is going to be a lifesaver in managing your participation in online meetings, ensuring you can quickly mute and unmute yourself without interrupting the flow of discussion or fumbling around with your mouse. First things first, let's get you into a Google Meet meeting. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Google Meet website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so using your Google account. Once you're signed in and ready to go, you'll notice a button labelled New Meeting. Click on that to get started. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see a few options pop up. For our purposes, we're going to choose Start an Instant Meeting. This will launch a new meeting where you're the only participant until you invite others. Now, you might be practicing this on your own, or you might be preparing to join a scheduled meeting. Either way, getting comfortable with starting a meeting is a good first step. Now here's where the magic happens. You're in a meeting and you need to mute yourself. Perhaps there's background noise, or you're simply listening in and don't intend to speak for the moment. Instead of moving your mouse around to locate the mute button on the screen, there's a much quicker way to achieve silence. Simply press Control or Command on Macs plus D on your keyboard. This nifty shortcut acts as a toggle for your microphone. Pressing these keys simultaneously will mute you if you're currently unmuted, and vice versa. This keyboard shortcut is your quick-fire solution to maintaining professionalism and respect during online meetings. It allows for smooth transitions and minimal disruptions. Remember, the key to using this shortcut effectively is practice. The more you use it, the more instinctive muting and unmuting with a simple key press becomes. So, to recap, join or start your Google Meet session. And once you're in, use the Control or Command plus D shortcut to mute and unmute your mic as needed. It's that simple, yet incredibly useful. Utilizing this shortcut can help keep your meetings concise and free from any unwanted background noise. That's all there is to it. With this straightforward keyboard shortcut, you're now equipped to manage your audio seamlessly in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this in your next online meeting. Happy meeting!